To generate cover art on Suno AI is fairly simple. You're going to start by opening up Suno and then you're going to navigate to library. From here, you're going to go ahead and select cover art, and then you have different ways you can generate your cover art. Now you have image to video, you have text to video, and you have text to image. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use. Bear in mind, the image to video or text to video will need a subscription to Suno AI so that you can be able to get or to use any of these options. But if you decide to stay on the free plan, you still have text to image available. Now, all you need to do is simply type in whatever it is that you want. So let's say, for example, anime night sky, like so. Now, you can choose to say whether you want basic or advanced. It's completely up to you whenever it comes to detail. Again, if you do decide to change, you do need to subscribe so that you can be able to generate. So let me just stick with basic and then select generate. Alternatively, if you don't know what you want to do, but you do have a basic idea, you can also just choose to tap on this icon and it can expand mostly on your image. So from here, as you can see, we've successfully generated our cover art images for anime night sky. Now from here, you can also choose to animate them if you decide you want to, or you can choose to leave them alone as plain old images. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.